Alright, now Samsung has released a brand new update for one of its very important applications called Samsung Find. In this video, let's check out this update, but before we go ahead, if you're interested in this wallpaper, the link is in the description. You can go ahead and download it. And if you're interested in knowing your phone better, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Now, let me just press and hold on the Galaxy Store. Let me tap on Updates. Now here you can see Samsung Find. Now let me tap on this application. In the change log, it says improved location search performance, which is very crucial for this application. This update improves the location search performance, and it also fixes bugs and improves stability. And then it says if you are liking Samsung Find, please rate and write a review. I'm not sure why they have mentioned this, why they are requesting for a review here in the change log. It is quite strange. We have never seen something like this happening on a Samsung application. It says your positive review will help us improve Samsung Find. Now, Samsung Find is a very essential application for Samsung Galaxy phone users. I don't think Samsung really need to request for a review here. Every Samsung user should rating it at least 4 or 5 stars for this application because this can do wonders. Let me just scroll down here. You see the latest version is 1.4.00.10 and the size is about 71.05 MB. And let me just quickly tell you what exactly this application does, why is it so important for Galaxy phone users. The first thing we can do using this application is we can share our location with our family members or friends so that they can see our real-time location on this application. Let's say any of your family members are traveling somewhere and you want to know their live location always, then what you can do is you can ask them to share their live location on Samsung Find application to your contact so that you will be able to have a track of their location on their device through Samsung Find application. And the second most important feature of this application is it provides real-time GPS location tracking for our devices so that we can easily find them if we have lost them. So these two are very essential features for any phones, and Samsung provides their own exclusive application called Samsung Find for the Galaxy phones. And for all the other Android phones, we have got a feature called Find My Device. Let me show you that. Let's go to the settings and search for Find My Device. You can see here, this is from Google. It says if you lose this device or any connected fast pair accessories, you can use Find My Device to locate them. You have to make sure you have turned on this feature. And then we have got more security options like remote lock. If this device is lost or stolen, you can lock it using your phone number. And then we have got Find Your Offline Devices. You can enable this if you want. Without network, with network in all areas. You can select the one that you want and enable this feature, which is very important for all the Android phone users out there. Once you enable that option, you can see it says to help you locate this device even when it's offline, Find My Device will encrypt and store its most recent location. Only you will see its location. It will not be visible to Google as well. That is what it says here. You can see Find My Device will use the screen locks of your device, including this one, to encrypt device locations. To continue, enter the screen lock of one of your other devices where Find My Device has already been set up. So we'll have to enter the screen lock here. Now this is a slightly longer process. I will explain it to you in another video. Now Find My Device is available by default on all Android phones, including Samsung Galaxy phones. And the additional option that we have on Samsung Galaxy phones is Samsung Find. This not only helps us locate the lost device, it will also help us track the real-time location of our family or friends. Now let me go ahead and update this application here. It's been updated. So this update is bringing the improved location search performance. So it may not be visible to us, but the location accuracy would be improved with this all new update. And if there are any bugs or stability issues, this update should fix it. Let me just open the application here. Now once you open the application after the update, you will see this page. It says notification when someone views your location. Samsung Find lets you share your location with other people. If you choose to share your location with someone, you will get a notification every time they view a map that includes your location. Which means, let's say if I choose to share my location with somebody, whenever the other person sees my location, I get notified. So I will know that my location is being checked by the other person to whom I have shared. Then it says if you don't want to get a notification every time, you can choose to receive notification less often. You can just select once every 30 days, once every 20 days, once every 10 days. So depending on your preferences, you can select any of these options here. Let me just select once every 10 days. I will tap on next. Now this is the page where I see all the locations. Now let me tap on people here. Now this is where we can add people that can see our location. Now just for the purpose of this video, let me just tap on plus and select a number here. Now once you select a contact, you will see this pop up. It says share your location with so and so person. When you start sharing, Samsung will collect your location and show it to the person you have shared with for the time and period that you select. You can stop sharing your location at any time by going to the contact profile and turn off share my location. Your location is processed according to the Samsung account privacy notice. Now you can choose how long to share your location. For 1 hour, 24 hours, indefinitely. Let me select 1 hour and tap on share. Use the phone as your location sharing device. I will tap on use. Now my location has been shared to this contact, and here it says the person hasn't decided whether to view your location or not. So he will get a notification. He will be able to select whether to view your location or not. And if you want to disconnect this contact, you can just tap on this again. You can see 59 minutes remaining here. You can disable this and enable it later if you want, or you can completely remove this contact to stop sharing your location with that person. That is how this whole thing works. Let me know whether you have used location sharing on your phone or not. Drop a comment. This will be a very useful feature for a lot of people out there, especially the parents who wants to track the location of their children. So that is Samsung Find for you guys, and this latest update should improve the location accuracy or tracking accuracy on the application. So go ahead and update it and let me know whether you have got this update or not. Drop a comment and be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.